So Mozilla is called as the open source application that is, you can say it is freely available, and it is developed by and created by Internet Suite. Internet Suite means for accessing the internet, like we're using Google Chrome, we're using Internet Explorer. So similar way, we're using Mozilla Firefox, which is used to accessing the internet. It is just like a browser based application. So right, Mozilla, Gibson heading Mozilla. It is free and open source software. It was developed to create a internet source. Like web browser, email client. Then HTML editor. So it is developed by Netscape Communication Corporation. It is developed by Netscape Communication Developer. Okay. Then next software is called as the Open Office. This Open Office that we're using in our mobile phone for opening the official documents, which is created by Microsoft Office, and for opening the Excel file, which is store the information in a row and column format. So that we're using this Open Office. It is an Office application suite made up uh, made up to be a competition with Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office को competition करके एटा तैयारी ହେଇଛି, and it is a open source application that we are using. Okay, so we're using a writer, calculator, draw, impress, base, math. So that the thing we're using here. Okay, so right, Open Office. It is an Office application suite made to be in competition with MS Office. Next point, it contains first point. It contains in first point, right? Writer, calculator, draw, table, then next is presentation, then database program, next is mathematical instruction. This is the component of your open office. Next, in open source we are using Java programming language. So that in another chapter we will learn about the Java programming language. It is originally developed in the 1991. It is a object orientation language. Object orientation कौन आगु पढ़िबा next year रे object orientation गोटे basic idea आमे जदि कहिबा जदि मोर गोटे बिल्डिंग अछि मु अपर बिल्डिंग टा गोटे ऊपर बिल्डिंग टा तैयारी करबा को चाहूची ताले मते आउ थरे तळ बिल्डिंग को भांगिबा दरकार नै आमे जेतले आमे एक्सटेंड करूचे घर को आमे तळ घरटा को भांगिबा दरकार नै आमे ताको एक्सटेंड करि परिबा जेमति कि आमर विंडो 8 ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रो विंडो 10 ऑटोमेटिक हो जाउची हमको नोटिफिकेशन देखौची so it is not required to rebuild again so that is you can say uh, it is called as the open source and object orientation program and it is platform independent language platform independency means हमें गोटे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रे को यूज करिबा माने जावा को यूज करके सपोज मो विंडो एक्सपी रे किछि विंडोज 8 रे किछि एप्लीकेशन बनाउछि ताको मु लिनक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रे रन करि परिबी मो उबंटू ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रे भी रन करि परिबी माने जे कोनोसी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रे चाहिबे ताको रन करि परिबी सो दैट इज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ योर व्हाट यू कैन से of Java programming language. It is a vast programming language and so popular programming language. It is influenced by your C and C++ language. C and C++ language को नेके एटा influence होइछि. So and it is originally developed by application ta James Gosling सिया को बनैथले as because he is actually assigned to do a project से गोटे प्रोजेक्ट बनाउथले गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर बनाउथले so at that timing C and C++ language is a popular language so they use that language to develop that particular software but lastly he found that after developing their software when he is trying to install the software into in the customer location he found some kind of ambiguous features are present so that he is unable to install that software in the particular device so at that timing the James Gosling is thinking for that they have to develop another programming language which is fitted with any platform माने सबो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम रे काम करिवो सबो हार्डवेयर डिवाइस जस्ट अ मिनिट एंड सबो हार्डवेयर डिवाइस रे भी से काम करिवो बुझियला
Yes, sir.
so Gibson heading Java. It is a programming language. It is a high level programming language. It is a high level programming language developed by James Gosling. It is a high level programming language developed by James Gosling. It has the syntax. It has the syntax similar to C and C++ language. Similar to C and C++ language. बुझला?
Yes, sir.
It is a object oriented programming language. It is a object oriented programming language. It is free and open source. It is free and open source. ओके देखिल तापर होची आमे यूज करिबा नेटबीन ओके netbean is called as the id which is used for writing the java programming language जेमति कि हमें सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज लिखिबा पय गोटे डिफरेंट आईडी यूज करूचे जंते कि सी फ्री गोटे आईडी हो जाउचे सेमती जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज लिखिया पे हमें नेटबीन आईडी यूज करबा तो नेटबीन इज एन इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट आईडी मींस इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट व्हिच इज इंटीग्रेटेड टू ऑल योर एप्लीकेशन मु जो एप्लीकेशन बनैबे ताको सब से इंटीग्रेट करिवो सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर नेटबीन आईडी so which is helping you to write the java programming language so you can see here I will share the screen then you can able to know how it looks like it is called as your netbean ide dekha ho screen
Yes, sir.
so when you open this so in this id we're creating the application okay, so it is loaded after it is loaded I will share you so right Gibson heading netbean it is an integrated development environment it is an integrated development environment for developing application for developing application like C, C++, C, C++, Java, HTML. NetBean IDE is written in Java. NetBean IDE is written in Java. And it can run in different platform. And it can run in different platform. Like window, like window, Unix, Linux, Solaris. So these are the operating system. Here it is, it can run. Then I am पढ़िबा MySQL data. MySQL is a database. Okay, so it is a database which is used for storing the information permanently. Like we are using Word to store the information, Excel to the store the information. But आमे तो Word रे लिखुचे से गोटे टेक्सचुअल फॉर्मेट रे रहउची आमे ता भितर जदि किछि इंफॉर्मेशन रिट्राइव करबा को चाहूचे so we have to search it. So it is taking a timing to get the information. But here MySQL database is called as the relational database, where you can get the information immediately, and it reduces the searching timing. The information search kariba jo timing अछि eta mora reduce kariba when I am using MySQL database. Okay, so it is based upon the concept of RDBMS, RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. It means what? ଯେମିତି କି ଆମେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ଦଉଛେ, ଏକ୍ଜାମର ଯେତେବେଳେ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ଆମକୁ ଆସୁଛି, ତ we are giving our roll number, then we are getting a result. So similar way, your roll number is dependent to other part. Okay, so other information. So that is called as you can say the MySQL is called as the relational database management system, where you are providing your ID and you are getting a result. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So right, it is a popular open source. It is a popular open source relational database management system. It is popular open source relational database management system, which runs on a server, which runs on a server which is used to managing the database it provide multi-user access to manage the database. The next is called as your common open standard. Also common open standard अछि. The open standard are referred to the internationally accepted technical standard. Open source means which is freely available. That doesn't mean it is not following some kind of standard or rules. So it is also following some kind of standard and rule for using in what computer devices or any devices by using of user. So that is you can say uh, it is a open source, but it follow some kind of rules. One is one rule is what are the principle it is following. One is availability. Open stores are available for all to read and implement, so anybody can use it and read it according to the requirement. Maximize the end user, means multiple user can use it, ମାନେ multiple ଲୋକ ସେଠି କାମ କରିପାରିବେ. No royalty, means it is not asking for any kind of license fee. ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାର ଅଛି ଆମେ ଇୟରଲି ବେସିସ୍, ଯେମିତିକି ଆମର ଆଣ୍ଟିଭାଇରସ୍ ଆମେ ଇୟର ବେସିସ୍ରେ ତାକୁ ଆକ୍ଟିଭେସନ୍ ଆମେ କରୁଛେ, ବୁଝିହେଉଛି?
Yes, sir.
ତ ଆ ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି ଆକ୍ଟିଭେସନ୍ କି ଆମକୁ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଆମେ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ ତାକୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟଲ୍ କରିପାରିବା, ମାନେ ଆମର ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ହିସାବରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିପାରିବା. It is freely available for free of cost. Ensure the data is application and platform independent, no hidden information is present. Then diversity and interprovability. Okay, so it is having some kind of interprovability and make the data accessible to all. Okay, and it is having what no discrimination. Open standard and administrator do not favor one implementer. आमे गोटे लोक ताको केवल यूज करि परिबनी, मल्टीपल यूजर ताको यूज करि परिबे. Then next it follow, what is that, like periodically practice. Open standard may employ license term that protect against subversion of the standard by embranch and extend the what tactics. Okay, so gives an heading: common open standard principles. First is availability. Then right in the availability, open standard are available for all. Open standard are available for all to read and implement. Then next point, next head gives an heading in the next point: maximize end user and choice. Maximize end user and choice. So it create a fair and competitive market for implementation. Next, right, no reality. no reality. Sorry, no royalty. Sorry, no royalty. It is free for all to implement it is free for all to implement with no royalty or fee. Then no discrimination. Open standard administrator ଲେଖୁଛ ତ?
Yes, sir.
Open standard administrator do not favor one implementer over another for any reason कौन लिखला लास्ट कहला?
Sir, open standard administrator do not favor implementer over another for any reason.
Other than the technical standard compliance. Other than the technical standard compliance. The next is periodicity practice. Periodicity practice. Periodicity practices. So open standard may employ the license term Open standard may employ license term that protect against supervision of the standard by embrace and extend the tactics. Then next is feature of open standard. Then what are the features of open standard? Right, it is available for first point. It is available for free of cost. Is available for free of cost. Next point, ensures data is application and platform independent. It ensures data is platform independent. It ensures data is platform independent. Next, no hidden information. Next, diversity and interprobability in the industry. Diversity and interprobability in the industry. It enables business and people to go for any technology of their choice. of their choice. लिख रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
It offers diverse choices. It offers diverse choices for users. Next, it makes the data accessible to all. It makes the data accessible to all. Okay, that is what feature of open standard. And some of the common open standard that we are using, one is www. Like when you are accessing any kind of website, we're using www. So www is called as a warehouse which contain all the information regarding you can say for the it is a data warehouse which contain all the information. Now from the www we are accessing the information. For accessing the information we are using www.facebook.com. So www is a warehouse where all the website has stored, like your Facebook has stored, like your Gmail has stored. Okay, so for accessing any website through internet we're using www. It also has some it is also having some kind of group that is called as the www consortium. So that consort is applying some kind of rule and regulation for all the website that is hosted in the web server. तो आमे जो भी वेबसाइट सब यूज करूचे, जहाँ भी आमे होस्टिंग करूचे, जो कंपनी और बिजनेस मैंने माने तंकर वेबसाइट बनाउछंती से माने गोटे कॉमन रूल फॉलो करंती, से रूलटा www consortium सेटा डिफाइन करिथाय. There is an open source information space where document and other web resources are identified by the URL. Okay, so Gibson heading www. It is an open source information tool open source information tool sorry, it is an open source information space, not tool, space, where all the documents where all the documents and web resources are identified by URL. It is interlinked by hypertext link. It is interlinked by hypertext link and access via the internet. By using the web browser, by using the web browser, one can access the images, videos and multimedia file. Okay. The internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. The internet is a global system of interconnected computer network. बुझेला? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक ଅଛି नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें पढ़िबा HTML DHTML ओके तो डेटा क्लास रे सरी जी होइडा तापर
Yes,
हम
sir.
रियल जावा प्रोग्रामिंग स्टार्ट करिबा ओके चलो बाय गुड नाइट
Thank you, sir.